What if you could build your own weather lab at home? We check weather every day, but most people never really understand how it's measured. So what if we could build it ourselves? This is the ACEBOTT Weather Station Kit. The installation process is covered in this linked video. It turns real-world data into live digital insights. And it teaches how nature, sensors, and coding work together. First, environmental sensing. It tracks air quality, temperature, and humidity in real time. This is how we understand the environment around us. To read the environment, QE011 Weather Station Kit is using this classic DHT11 sensor. The DHT11 is a popular, low-cost digital temperature and humidity sensor frequently used by beginners in electronics. It tracks both temperature and humidity simultaneously using built-in precision components. It contains a capacitive humidity sensor and an NTC thermistor to measure the surrounding air, outputting both values digitally via a single-wire serial interface. It outputs pure digital data straight to your board, perfect for any smart home project. This is a compact, low-power optical dust sensor that uses light scattering to measure real-time air quality. Accurate down to 1 micron, easily tracking PM2.5, smoke, and pollen. It maps PM2.5 across 6 color-coded EPA tiers, from a safe good to a hazardous health emergency. Then comes natural forces. Wind speed, rainfall detection, UV monitoring, and even seismic activity. This is how students experience extreme weather safely. The QE011 Weather Station Kit comes with a standard mechanical cup anemometer, made for precise wind speed measurement. It uses 3 hemispherical cups mounted on horizontal arms to smoothly track wind movement. Built from tough polycarbonate, it won't rust and spins on ultra-smooth bearings. As the wind blows, it creates a rotational force on the cups that causes the central shaft to spin. The speed of this rotation is directly proportional to wind speed. A raindrop sensor is a weather and moisture sensing device designed to detect the presence and intensity of rainfall. When dry, resistance is high, but a single drop triggers a sharp drop. That shift instantly tells our board to trigger irrigation or an alarm. A vibration sensor is a device that detects mechanical vibrations, magnitude, and frequency. Inside, a flexible spring closes the circuit when shaken, dropping the signal low to instantly trigger an alarm. Next, energy and monitoring. The system even runs on solar power. UV sensors are devices designed to detect and measure ultraviolet UV radiation, UVA, UVB, or UVC emitted by the sun or artificial lamps. It skips wavelength filters entirely, spitting out a clean voltage that scales with the UV index. When appearing 0.9 UV index, it tells your board exactly when it's time to grab some sunscreen. A light sensor or photo sensor is a device that detects the presence, intensity, or wavelength of light and converts it into an electrical signal. Its resistance plummets under bright light, but skyrockets the moment things go dark. This simple shift lets your board instantly sense day from night. An atmospheric pressure sensor or barometric sensor measures surrounding air pressure. It uses a MEMS diaphragm to sense micro changes in air pressure, with a built-in temp sensor for crazy accurate calibration. Whether you're tracking weather trends or building a DIY drone, it delivers flawless environmental data. Now you know how all the sensors work, but do you really want to walk outside every time you check the weather? Let's level this up with IoT. We're building a local weather website hosted right on our ESP32, and students can program this entire setup using ACEBOTT Blockly, Arduino, or even Python. Just put your Wi-Fi credentials in the code and upload it to create a mini web server. Then grab your phone on the same network, type in the IP address from the OLED screen, and boom! Moreover, open the app and you can adjust the servo angles instantly. But remember, it's not just a kit. It's a complete STEM learning system, designed for classrooms, beginners, and future engineers. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe us and start building your own weather world.